Your space, your way. Flat roof brings style and simplicity to your extension design. This high-quality flat roof is the most thermally efficient on the market, with a U value of 0.14 and is strong enough to span up to 5.6 meters unsupported above bifold or sliding doors to provide a seamless link to the garden. The fast-to-fit pitch lock fall system combines adjustable pitch locks and pre-cut timber battens which easily adapt to on-site tolerances. An integrated building regulations compliant and insulated curb make it easy and quick to install the roof light. The flat roof is compatible with all types of flat roof covering, and the OSB deck protects the roof from the elements and provides a deck to lay the roof finish. The vapor control layer prevents moisture from entering the roof, keeping the warm air in the room below to avoid any condensation risk. Lightweight Ultra panels clip together to form a super strong I-beam structure throughout, insulating the roof. The intermediate insulated earth wool, which sits above Ultra panels and below the OSB, delivers an incredibly low U value of 0.014. The male and female connection on the ring beam makes it quick and easy to fit. Due to its lightweight nature, there is no need for heavy lifting equipment. The beam is strong enough to allow the roof to span up to 5.6 meters unsupported above bifold or sliding doors, and being fully insulated with rock wool ensures no cold bridging. Choose from 2 different soffit steps, standard or extended. The roof line can be customized with the different fascia options. The flat roof is available in a range of fascia options in any RAL colour. Choose a cornice fascia to hide the gutters, giving the roof line a neat contemporary finish. Your space, your way. This flat roof brings style and simplicity to your extension design to give you the extension you've always dreamed of.